Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty Rajma. For that I have taken 1 onion, 2 tomatoes and 2 cloves of garlic. Rajma can be of this size, it can be smaller size or pink color. Take any Rajma, soak it in water for 8 to 10 hours or overnight and cook it in the pressure cooker with salt for 4 to 5 whistles and drain it. The Rajma will be soft like this. Now grind the onion separately and the tomato and garlic together. Now in a pot add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds splutter and the color changes slightly to brown color, add the onion. The onion should be ground to a coarse paste, not fine paste. Now saute the onion. The onion should be cooked well and the color should change to light brown color. Only then the Rajma will taste very good. And when you grind the onion and make it, the gravy consistency also will be very good. Instead of cutting the onions and tomatoes and using them, grind it into it will be very tasty like the restaurant style. So saute for a couple of minutes and then cover it for about 5 minutes on medium flame when the color will start to change. Now fry until it becomes a little more brown in color. You will get a very good aroma and the color will also be a little more brown. Saute until you get the right color. Now when the color is a little more brown, add the tomato and garlic, ground tomato and garlic to it and cook this also very well. Only then Rajma will be very tasty. Now saute this for a couple of minutes and cover and keep. In 5 minutes the water in the tomato will evaporate and the onion, tomato and garlic will be well cooked. Saute for a couple of minutes. When you can see the oil coming out, at this time add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Rajma masala, half a teaspoon of 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Garam masala. When you add Garam masala, it will be more flavorful. So saute until the raw smell of the powders are gone. Then add the cooked Rajma and saute for a couple of minutes. Mix well and then add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water is enough for 1 cup of Rajma. So add the water, mix well, cover and let it boil well for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Only then it will cook well. Mix well and then cover it. In 5 minutes it will be well cooked and you can see the oil floating on top. At this time add powdered jaggery, 1 teaspoon of powdered jaggery, not sugar. Add only jaggery, it will be very tasty. Slightly mash the Rajma with the ladle and when it boils well, it will be very tasty. You can take Rajma with rice, with chapatis, with naan, with anything. It will be very, very tasty. I am sure every one of you are going to make this Rajma. Enjoy it and comment without fail. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe. Click the bell icon and choose the all option and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the recipes without missing them and enjoy the tasty recipes and comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.